What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is what is known by the scientific world as the secret. The secret refers to the ability to create your own reality. Our minds are magnets that attract what we focus on. If you focus on the negative, your life will be all negativity. The law of attraction says, if you can imagine it with your mind, it is achievable if you take action. The law of attraction is as real as the law of gravity, the law of relativity, or the law of cause and effect. All of these laws are scientifically verified. Quantum physicists have studied, and are studying the scientific side of our mind, and how the universe influences our subconscious. Scientists have a greater understanding of the law of attraction, and how the universe benefits our everyday lives. The law of attraction goes hand in hand with manifestation. One might say that they are the same. However, these two things are not precisely the same. Manifestation is the process that uses the law of attraction, while the law of attraction is the actual science behind it. Using the law of attraction, the universe will respond to positive energy. The feeling of happiness and joy, being appreciative, or excited will create positive energy that the universe will pick up on. Meditation is the best way to manifest the things that you want. It's mostly about being quiet and still while you focus on your thoughts. Keep your mind clear of distractions, and increase your spiritual awareness. Relax your body and your soul. What is manifestation? How can we use it? Manifestation derives from the law of attraction. To manifest something is to bring something tangible into your life by believing it will come. If you think of it, it will happen. However, it takes willpower, emotion, and positive thinking. You need to feel the experience and imagine the reality of what it is you want. You need to know what you want. Visualize things as clear and concise as possible. Feel the power of manifestation. How can we use the power of manifestation? You can use manifestation to improve your mental and physical health. Train your mind to be positive about everything. Positivity can benefit you greatly, along with taking care of yourself. You can increase your self-confidence and fight anxiety and depression more effectively. Gain money and build wealth. Financial stability can improve your ability to take better care of yourself and your family. Buy a new home or a new car. Manifest your soulmate. Finding the person you want to be with for the rest of your life that is compatible with you and your goals is hard. Don't expect a person will appear out of thin air. It could be someone new that walks into your life, or it could be someone you've known for most of your life. Be aware of the signs. Become successful in life and career. Being a successful person is an excellent booster for the soul. It makes you feel good and proud of yourself, which has a strong positive effect. How can we use the power of manifestation? First of all, you must have dreams. Without desires, how can you set goals for a better quality of life? Drop the negative feelings. Negativity will manifest negativity, so clear your mind. Manifestation doesn't work with just thoughts. You have to take part in actions physically. The power of manifestation is half mental, half physical. If you want a dream job, you have to go after it and apply. Nobody is going to call you out of the blue and offer you a job. You must want it bad enough to follow through with it. After finding out exactly what you need, ask the universe for what you want. The universe is alive. Imagine a life of health and happiness. Vision living the way you want to live, and not having to answer to anyone. Find the love of your life and manifest someone that has the same goals as you. The future is yours. You can achieve your desires. Make a vision board. The vision board contains the things that you want to manifest. You can take pictures out of a magazine, or use photos from the internet, and create a collage on a poster board. Use items on the board that you want to feel, not just material things. Mix it up and get your life together. Put some details on your board from a place that made you feel good. Use the board to visualize a vacation destination where you want to go. Use the vision board to help see what your goals are. Place your vision board where you can see it often, and do visualization exercises. When you visualize your wants and needs, you put a dominant frequency out into the universe. Here are 5 steps you can follow to manifest anything. Number 1. Choose what you want to manifest. Find something that will genuinely change your life. Think about something that will benefit you for good. Do you need it? Do you want it? Do you genuinely believe you can achieve it? Belief is the core value of taking control of the power of manifestation. Number 2. Remove the things or people in your life that occupy your negativity. A negative mindset is the downfall of every non-successful manifestation. It is best if you attract positive things in your life. Stay away from toxic people and don't go to Facebook, where there are many negative posts. Leave the harmful lifestyle behind. Number 3. Visualize the things you want to manifest. Visualizing your list is one of the key aspects behind manifesting. You can visualize by meditating in a quiet room. Be aware of all of your senses. Hearing, seeing, smelling, touching, and tasting are all relevant to manifesting. It's real, and you have to visualize it. Remain focused on the result, not how to achieve it. Number 4. Take action on the things you want. Follow your heart and your mind. If you want that dream job, go and get it. Number 5. Be appreciative of the things that you have manifested. Forgetting where you got them can be detrimental to your future manifests. Spread your positivity or write in a gratitude journal. Remember to stay focused and positive. Stay motivated and watch for the signs of what is to come. There are some signs about the manifestation when it is close to happening. You see repeating numbers everywhere. Repeating numbers have a lot of meanings. Numbers like 111, 222, 333, so on are very important, and you should take note and be prepared. You are hearing people talking about your manifestation goals. They are talking about the things you have meditated on or seeing on television, often the things you desire. You are feeling overly excited for no reason. Your manifestation may be close at hand. There are many signs that your manifestation might be arriving. Pay attention and stay alert. Repeating numbers may be one of those signs. 111 tells you that you are on the right path. Take notice of where you are and who is with you. The universe is calling. You have not finished spreading your positivity, so continue. 222 means there may be someone coming into your life. It could be a soulmate or a new best friend. Pay attention to everyone around you, new or old. 333 is the trinity number. Your mind, body, and soul may be out of balance, and you may need to take a little better care of your health. Find your balance. 444 is the family number. You need to pay attention to your family members and friends as they need consideration. 555 means change is coming, so make sure you are looking for new opportunities and try something new. Sometimes your manifestation doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? The number 1 reason why a manifestation doesn't work is by not believing. You must believe in it, and you must have faith in yourself and stay positive. Maybe you are starting too big. $1 million may be something to desire, but start smaller, like $10,000. It will help with the belief process as well. You are not taking action. If you want that pay raise, don't wait. Take action now. You are trying too hard. Don't be desperate and needy. Take things in stride. You are scared. Maybe you desire to be a singer, and you are afraid of the thought of people laughing at you. Stay positive and have confidence in yourself. There are a lot more reasons why your manifestation is not working. Be aware of your thoughts and mind. Write down your feelings and stay positive. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Share this with your friends.